Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to create group chats on Snapchat. Very, very simple and easy to do. You just have to start off on your Snapchat application, so just go ahead and open that up. Once you're on the Snapchat application, you click the chat option just at the bottom of your screen. And then once you're on this chat option here, you want to go to the top right where you see the little chat with the little pencil icon. Just click on that. And then you want to click on New Group. And then here is where you decide who you want to add to your Snapchat group. So you just go ahead and click on the people that you want to add. And now if you want to add a name for the group, you will see at the top option right here at the very top of your screen, it says name group, that little pencil. You want to go ahead and click on that. And then you can just put the name of the group and then click on done. Then once you have that done and you've chosen the people that you want to add to your group, you can go ahead and just click on the person that you want to add and click on create group. And then here you'll have the group already started up. And then you'll be able to go ahead and message that person. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to create groups on Snapchat. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.